Hi, my name's Adam with EcoSpect. Healthy basement, healthy home. Today we're helping a customer that has foundation cracking on all four walls of her foundation. We've partnered with Rhino carbon fiber. That's a reinforcement product to stabilize that wall, to prevent continued bowing and movement, and essentially have a lifetime warranty to support that home indefinitely. When installing carbon fiber, it's vitally important that you have the right equipment and properly trained staff. We use all Hilti tooling, exceptional equipment. It allows us to have proper dust collection for silica vacs and HEPA filtration. It attaches directly to the tooling as we're doing the grinding and minimizes that dust as much as absolute possible. So if you have some foundation cracking in your home and you're concerned about it, reach out to us. We'll be happy to talk with you and meet with you on site. We'll answer questions and discuss what the options are.